Hello. Right, I am going to show you how to make another paper aeroplane called the Ninja. Except before I'm going to make it, I'm going to have to say that there is actually two ways of making the Ninja. I only know one of them. Sorry. Okay. Anyway, there's two ways of making the Ninja. I only know how to make one, and it doesn't make it fly, but they look really nice on display. So this one is mainly for display. Okay? Right. So first you start off with the top corner. Here. Fold it down till it meets here, so it's straight along the bottom. Then you fold it down. Stop squeaking! Then you fold it down like that. Oops, sorry. Lift it back up. Do the same on the left hand side. This one's easier because you can already see the other line. Right. So now your paper should look like that. Now you're going to fold this bit. Wait, sorry. And fold the top half like that, meeting these two lines here. And folding. Now it looks like this. Turn it over. You pop the middle. Bring these two sides up. Oh, this is really difficult for me to show you this. Bring two sides up. Bring that down. Bring that down like that. And fold it. Like that. Now there is now two layers. You can see what I've done there. So it did start off like that. It started off. If I pop that back through, I'll do it again. Like that. Pop the middle. Bring that down like that. Push this through like that. Fold it. Okay. After you've done that, you need to go one flap over, hold that, so you know there's only one flap. Then fold it into the middle. You can see that the wing is starting to develop already. You put one flap over, two flaps over. So there's one again. It's basically the same thing. In fact, it is the same thing. Remember, this is only for display. You can try and make it fly if you want to. So now your paper looks like this. When you turn it over, you bend it over so it should be completely parallel to your other side. Like that. Then you take one side and you fold it over like that to make a thin wing. And do the same on the other side. And there you go. This is the display version. You can try and fly these, but that probably doesn't work. Try. Test it. This isn't going to work. Put your paper aeroplane there. See? I'll do it again. Just go. Oh no, that went in the sink. As you can probably see, my paper aeroplane is now soaking wet. That was smart of me, wasn't it? And yep, it's ruined. Yep, it's ruined. Great. Oh well. Well, okay. Thank you for watching. Remember, that's only for display, not to... That's my phone ringing. Bye bye.